Hello everyone, I'm here today with Drain Pro Plumbing and Septic to answer the question, how do I clean my kitchen sink drain? Kitchen sinks are one of the most heavily used drains in any household and are often the ones dealing with food particles, oil, and other problematic items. If your kitchen sink is draining slowly, start by removing the drain cover. You'll want to be wearing rubber gloves for this task, as you may encounter some grime on the underside of the drain cover. Clean off any debris and grime that may be clogging things up. Next, slowly pour boiling water down the drain pipe. This will help move any oil or other problems. A classic DIY option is to put half a cup of baking soda and a cup of vinegar down the drain. This creates a fizzy reaction that can help break up clogs. If none of that clears your problem, try using a plunger to dislodge the clog. You may also want to try using a drain snake. This can be inserted into the pipe to pull out any blockages. Finally, if your drain is still clogged, consider calling a professional drain cleaning service. Drain Pro Plumbing is one of the best drain cleaning teams in Western Washington. To schedule an appointment, visit our website at drainproplumbing.net. Thank you.